Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on incognito mode on YouTube. So what we're going to do is we're going to come and open up YouTube. As you can see, that has opened up our YouTube, and in the bottom right hand corner, you can see your icon if you are logged in. So if you give that a click, and then as you can see at the top here, you've got the option to switch account, Google account, and then as you can see, turn on incognito. So if you give that a click, as you can see, it says you've gone incognito. Your activity in this session will not be linked with your account. So anything you search for related videos won't come up on your home feed. So if you're happy with that, then you can press got it. And then obviously you can turn it off if you want to. And that's it. If you guys like this video, if you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. We appreciate it so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.